I don't know, it's about 6 a.m. I'm trying to do this stealth-like. Neighbors are going to think I'm crazy. Anyway, woke up to some snow this morning. Already had to help my lovely wife get her car out. I slid all the way down that hill. Long story. Anyway, what do we have here? Okay. Exactly is going on down in here. Let's just have a look. Okay, we're really in a sheltered area here now. Okay, there it is. That's what I want to see. We'd have to put a tarp because the condos up there are in clear view of those balconies. So we put a tarp up right over to cover this whole lot here. Yeah, no, this looks really good. Just to give you an idea, we're in hillside area of White Rock, surrounded by condos. This would be a true urban stealth, that's for sure. Well, let's just give that some consideration. It's definitely a spot right under that no parking. I have a hole through the... I was wondering about the guy on the other side, but he's totally blocked. Okay, that's looking like a good spot. I gotta get out of here before somebody calls the cops.